Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is class 9 maths chapter number 4 exercise 4.4. As we've done other questions, among those all questions in the exercise 4.4, these three questions are the most important questions, and they are very interesting as well as very easy, and there are lots of tricks here as well. The first question in among these three important questions is question number 4. In question number 4, they are asking that prove that this left hand side is equals to the right hand side. So I am writing again the question and then I will solve it. Solution. Question number 4. Solution. X square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx is equals to x minus y divided by 2 under root whole square plus y minus z divided by 2 under root whole square plus z minus x divided by 2 under root whole square. Let this is left hand side and this is right hand side. Taking left hand side, taking not left hand side, taking right hand side, because from the right hand side we can solve the right hand side, and if the right hand side is solved and it gives the left hand side, so it will be proved. So taking right hand side of the question, right hand side is x minus y divided by 2 under root whole square plus y minus z divided by 2 under root whole square plus z minus x divided by 2 under root whole square. That is the right hand side of the question. Now, as you can see that the square is occurred here, and that is whole square. So this square is the square of the numerator as well as the denominator. So I will put the square on the numerator and denominator separately. So it will become like this: x minus y square divided by 2 in the root square plus y minus z square divided by 2 under root square plus z minus x square divided by 2 under root square. Now you know that the under root or the square root will be cancelled with the square. So this is cancelled with this is cancelled with this, and this is cancelled with this. So the remaining question will become x minus y square divided by 2 plus y minus z divided by 2. This square will be at its own place, z minus x whole square divided by 2. Now, I told you people that whenever you have the question in the fraction form and there is a plus minus in between them, like this is a fraction form, this is another fraction form, this is another fraction form, and the plus sign is there. So you will take LCM. You will take LCM, least count multiple of that question for solution. So I will take the LCM here. The LCM here is 2. Now the LCM here is a 2. So 2 is multiplied here, here, and here. 2 will be cancelled here, here, and here, and the only numerator will remain like this: x minus y square plus y minus z square plus z minus x square. That is the next step of the question. Now, according to this formula, a minus b whole square, a square plus b square plus minus 2ab. This is a formula which will be used here. So this is the left hand side of the formula, which is the closed side of the formula, a minus b whole square. So that will be equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So similarly, here we have, instead of a we have x, and instead of b we have y. So we will just open the formula like this one. So it will become like this. So I am doing this step from here. So a square plus b square minus 2ab. I have opened this one. Plus, I am doing with different markers that you may understand easily. and this one is y square plus z square minus 2yz, and plus z square plus x square minus 2zx. So I opened this one like this one, and this one. Whole divided by whole divided by 2. Now you can see that we have different things like x square and x square occur twice. X square occur twice. So I can add these x square and x square with each other. Here, if there is no coefficient given, so the coefficient will be 1. Here the coefficient will be 1. So I can add the coefficients of these x square, x square. So it will become 2x square plus. Now we have y square here, and here again y square. So y square and y square is also repeated twice. So we can add the y and y as well, because here with y there is 1 and with y there is 1. So 1 and 1 is added, and we will just add the 1 and 1 means coefficients, and that will give us 2y square. 2y square. And the final one is z square, this is z square, and here again is z square. So two z squares are there, so I will add the z squares and z square as well, so that will give us 2z square, 2z square. And now the remaining thing will be written as it is, that is minus 2xy minus 2yz and minus 2zx. So I will write them as it is. So minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2zx, and whole divided by 2. As you can see, here we have 2, 2, 2 and 2 repeated again and again. So 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 and 2. And all of them, the 2 is repeated again and again, so I can put it out as a common factor. So the 2 is, the remaining part is started here, okay? So 2 is common, and the remaining part is x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx, whole divided by 2. Now this 2 is cancelled with this 2. So it is the last step, minus xy minus yz and minus zx. If you look at the final step is just like the left hand side of the question. So this is the answer or the last step of the solution of the right hand side, and the left hand side is this one. So if you see the right hand side solution is equals to the left hand side, so we can say that right hand side is equals to left hand side. So it is proved, as the answer say, the question says that prove this. So I have proved that the left hand side is equals to the right hand side. And if you have any question, you can ask me, and I will just explain the other questions as well. So I have just completed this question number 4, and now I will just solve the other questions step by step and one by one. Okay, so you are understanding or not? If there is any question, you can ask. Okay.